I'm going to show you how to correct the geometry of an image in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up. Like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on Filter. Then we click on Camera Raw Filter, and then in the right side we have this little rectangle, which is the geometry button. And here we have a few options. We have manual transformations. This is the vertical, horizontal, rotate, things that we can play with to correct the geometry. Also, we have an auto upright correction, level correction, vertical correction, and some other options with guides as well, which are very, very useful. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.